Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to this week's trade idea. My name is Paul Edward, founder of Transparent Forex Trading. If you like this video, if you appreciate the content that I give you every week, do help by liking the post and leaving a comment, because that way I can help more people. So if you appreciate the content, please help me by helping others, and like the post, subscribe so you get an alert as to when I've posted new content too. Okay, so last week's video we had NZD USD, and as you can see we were looking for our double top. Price broke through our ceiling, our resistance area, but came back, retested, and then we got our drop. And depending on when you got into the trade, you know, if we're conservative and say we got in down here, or you got in down here, you know, we're looking at a very nice 79 pips, and it's still going down. You know, I mean, I'd like to see it come down to our support, you know, which is 100 plus pips. So a very nice trade, and well done if you managed to catch that. So this week, these are requests from people from the Facebook group. Euro USD. What else did we have? CAD Swiss franc and GU. CAD Swiss franc and GU. Okay, and I'm going to clear these charts. These are previous markups. Okay, so Euro USD, let's start with that. Now, I don't actually like it. I wouldn't particularly want to trade it. Simply because it's so, you know, messy here. But when it was up here, I mentioned in the academy that I was looking for it to drop, because we kind of had like a huge head and shoulders going on, and I've been waiting for it to drop, and it's been slowly going down, but I would have liked to have seen the kind of drop equivalent to the bullish move that we had to get up here in the first place. But nonetheless, it's still going down, and has been going down, you know, since April of last year. But if we are to have a look, see, this is what I don't like. Here, look, this is all just, you know, consolidation. Just contraction in the market where the market is resting, and it's a battle between the buyers and the sellers. So not something I particularly, you know, want to get involved in. But let's mark it up anyway, so we can see, you know, if we can bring that down far enough. We've got our support here and our trend line here. Now, what I'm looking for, you can see how price has rejected our trend line previously, rejected our trend line again. I would like to see price come down, retest, and drop down some more. Okay, now it could come down and retest our trend line some more. Okay, and who knows, we may get one more push down before, whoops, before you get your retest. That's because this thing is on. Before you get your retest might get that again. Another retest, and then a breakdown. So this is what could happen or should happen. So this is what should happen. Okay, we get our drop, we get our retest, and then price continues down. What could happen is that price comes down, tests our support, comes back up, and then we get our drop, and we can look for our retest and then take it down. What shouldn't happen is price come down, take off, retest. I mean, these are all possibilities, but it shouldn't do this. Okay? It should drop, retest into your trade. It could retest one more and then drop, or it might go sideways on us before eventually dropping. If we go to the lower time frames, check on the 4 hour, check our Bollinger Bands. You can see price tagged our Bollinger Bands a bit here with wicks, but nothing massively exciting. Oops. We'll get rid of some of these now. You could draw a channel. And I've drawn it up to there because we could take it from there, the swing high. You know, not a great channel to be fair. I mean, possibly have it down to there. So, because this is only the second data point on the bottom of our channel or trend line, if we were to draw a trend line, it's still not confirmed. We still need a third one. So there's no real value in the channel at the moment. But, you know, if you're going to trade it, look for the rejection of the trend line, look for it to come down, look for the break of support, retest, and then potential trade then. CAD Swiss franc. CAD Swiss franc was a great trade last week. This was called in the academy. Again, at the top of our resistance. And that was a very nice trade indeed. Let me just check the daily. Now from here we got in around here, I believe. You know, and depending on where you entered and where you got out, you're looking at the best part of, you know, 85 to 90 pips. So that was a very nice trade. And, you know, really, if price continues down, depending on where it opens, Now if we can clear here, oh, wrong one. Now if we can clear here, then we can look to ride it back down. To here. And that is, now that's 60 pips to the neckline, and then 300 pips to the floor. So definitely one we'll be keeping an eye on, and it's one flagged for Academy members as well. And then finally GU, let's just clear this again. So let's zoom out, get a better understanding of what's happening. And then you can start with marking. Let's go here first. Your resistance areas. Your support, you could put your support here. You could put it down here. Trend line, whoops. So what we're looking for is price to come down and interact with our trend line. So we've got 2 data points really. Well, I suppose actually you've got 3. You've got 1, 2, 3. So price could come down to here and take off. If it does, you would look for a potential buy here, up to the resistance area. If it breaks through, then we can be confident that it's going to come down to our support, because this is a major area of support previously. So if it breaks through there, then we should see it ride back down again. Let's have a look on our, actually just look with the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so was overbought. Up here, see we had our Bollinger Bands hit, as well as reaching a ceiling, price has dropped. This is on the daily. We go to the 1 hour. See, price has been dropping nicely. Let's see if we can get it to come down. Try a trend line and either reject and head up, or break through, retest and drop. So I hope that's useful. I will give, you know, updates throughout the course of the week. Again, you know, if you find this of value, hit the like button, subscribe, so you get access to them as they come out, these videos. Also, if you would like to get access to more, not just the trade ideas, but the actual training that allows you to, you know, to trade these setups yourself, then my academy gives you everything that you need to be able to do that successfully. And, you know, it costs less than one of these a day. Okay? For those of you that aren't aware or can't see, this is a £2 coin. Okay? Which, you know, won't even get you a cup of coffee here. You can get access to my academy for less than £2 a day. Okay? So sacrifice a cup of coffee, which, you know, okay, is very nice and all, but it's not going to earn you money. You know, that, you know, invested in training, in education, in trade ideas that you can learn from, can make all the difference. Yeah? Or you can continue to spend it on coffee and whatever else. So thanks very much for your time, guys. I appreciate it. See you on the next video. Take care.